Alright guys, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And on today's episode, we're going to start the frame on the Mustang Gt350r, guys. Today's going to be a big day. We're going to see how bad it is, take it apart, see what else we need. We ordered most of the parts came in, except a couple little brackets, which we can order later, but we can still do the frame on it. We also like to thank all the new guys that are subscribed, all the new, if you're watching this. Also subscribe if you're not, to see what else we're going to be doing. Hit that notification button. Also,
all right, so we're starting the 350R. We have another giveaway that we'd like to give you guys. The GT350R, the Cobra Snake emblem cut out. Looks pretty nice. So just go ahead and comment GT350R in the bottom of this video. Enter a chance to win. Hope you get it.
There's gonna be a lot of, in the descriptions, give you the regulations, the rules, how to enter, how to win it.
Yeah.
But the next video for the GT350 will tell you guys who won it. Right. But stay tuned and see what we're gonna do. All right, let's get these side skirts off. Looks like there's a couple little clips underneath. Not a big deal. Okay, we got it on the clamps. It's all strapped down. And now we can pull some frame. Alright, so I pulled the frame rail, the rebar forward a little bit so we can start taking it apart. The radiator shouldn't be jammed anymore. So it's coming out pretty good. So let's get all this upper radiator support off, the radiator condenser, all those little things. See what the damage is. we got this box from the parts farm. We ordered a bumper. Came with a lot of brackets and everything, and the little covers and grills. Fortunately, we didn't have the old one with the car. So let's check out what we got. So let's check out the bumper. We're not going to be using this bumper, but we got the grills we can use, the upper and lower. We got the turn signal, another grill. Also the new bumper we bought, the charger support charge. But look at all the stuff that we need. He's going to save us a lot of time and energy. So we're going to take this bumper apart, because we got to bring the old bumper to the dealer. Also, we got the rebar, the reinforcement bar. So, alright guys, I just got back from the Ford dealer. So we got the bumper right here. We got an OEM bumper. And it's nice. Also we got the upper radiator support. This thing was expensive. It's like carbon fiber. But also we picked up a hood hinge. And this apron or upper something cover, because ours is bent a little bit. Also, we got a fender and a hood. A subscriber hit us up, Dave Trevino. We appreciate it, man. He gave us a really good deal on these parts. Super happy. Saved us some time and money. So big shout out to Dave Trevino. And Dave has his own channel. If you guys want, check it out. At TD Us. I'll leave a link in the descriptions. So check out his channel. If you guys have some parts, let us know. I'll leave my email in the description. Alright guys, so we got all the parts from the dealer for the Mustang. It's going really good. I'm getting more progress done on it. Unfortunately, I can't continue working on the Mustang because I gotta leave. We actually bought another build. It got approved today, and I want to pick it up before the weekend, and it's far away, really, really far away. If you guys want to guess what it is, it's got a lot of power. It's really cool, and it's my favorite color, guys. It's gonna be my favorite color. A lot of people don't like this color, but I like this color, and it's got some power. But unfortunately, I gotta leave, so we gotta end this episode about this Mustang frame. There's probably another part 2 of it. You know, continue progress, but also about the sign. If you guys want to enter to win it, just leave in the comments Gt350r. The other rules and regulations is going to be in the descriptions. So if you guys like this video, leave us a comment, give us a like, hit that notification button for the next video, and subscribe to our channel.